Payment history accounts for 35% of your credit score makeup. Be on time with your payments, and that's going to be the major determining factor of that. Credit usage, 30%. That means how much of your credit are you using? If you have $300,000 of credit and you've only used $10,000 of your credit, that means that you're not using all the credit you have out there, so you've got excellent credit. Another key factor is the age of credit accounts. That makes up 15%, so the longevity of your credit history, right? That's why they tell you never close an account. Credit mix makes up 10% of your total score, so that's gonna be like, do you have mortgage loans? Do you have car loans? Do you have department store loans? Do you have Amazon loans? What loans do you have? What are they mixed up? That's going to make up a small portion of how your credit score is determined. New credit inquiries, okay? That makes up 10% of your total score. So don't apply for something if you don't need it, okay?